thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shell Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to use the trace tool in Silhouette Studio. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull up your picture that you're going to be tracing. Perfect. So I have my picture pulled up. I'm going to be selecting one of the frames out of this picture. So I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. And then you're going to go over to the right side menu and click Trace. Then you want to select the Trace tool. And then you want to select the area you will be tracing. Perfect. So it's okay if you get a little bit of something else in the picture that you don't want. I'll show you how to remove that later. So we're going to change the threshold to 70. Now this will depend on your picture. For mine, I'm just going to change it to 70. That gives me the clearest picture as well as the cleanest lines. And then you're going to leave everything else at 0. And then you're going to select Trace. Now your picture has been traced. Now you can delete the actual image. And then from there, I'm going to zoom in. And then I want to get rid of those pieces I don't want. So I'm going to go down, right click, and click Release Compound Path. And then delete the pieces that I don't want. Perfect. So I'm deleting the last piece. And then I'm going to select the entire image, right click, and then make compound path. And that's it, guys. So you have successfully traced your picture. And from there, I'm just going to finish out the design by changing the color. And removing that red outline. And then I'm just going to add some text. And then I'm going to change the font as well. Perfect. I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger, and then I want to weld those words that are overlapping. And then I'm going to group the words together. And the reason I want to do this is so that I can bring the words closer together. All right. And then I'm just going to group them back together. Then I'm going to change the color. Let's go for a dark green. Perfect. And then remove that red outline. And then I just want to center it a little bit better. And then I'm just going to group these pieces together. And that's it, guys. You have successfully learned how to use the trace tool. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.